Hey kids! Did you know conch shells are more than just cool beach treasures? Let's dive into the awesome story behind their twisty spirals. Conch shells are like nature's artwork, each with its own special twisty design. Some twist to the right, some to the left, depending on the type of conch. The big opening at the end is called the aperture, like a door to the conch's home. Above it, there's a spire, a tiny mountain that can be pointy or round. Each twist in the shell is called a whorl, adding to its cool look. Some even have a neat little dip in the middle called an umbilicus. The lines where each twist meets the next are called sutures, making fun patterns. And check out the bright colors and patterns that make each shell a feast for the eyes. Some conch shells even have a tiny door called an operculum to lock their entrance. How cool is that? Next time you find a conch shell, remember it's more than just a pretty face. It's a wonder of nature's design, just waiting to be discovered.